Hey guys, get unready with me using Glow Recipe's new Clear Skin Essentials. Alright, this new kit they just launched is dermatologist approved, and it comes with the Glow Recipe Toner, the Strawberry Smooth Salicylic Serum, the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer, and of course the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. Also, I forgot to mention, but the kit also comes with the mini size Pore Smooth Blur Drops, and this one is strawberry scented. So this is the complete kit. Okay guys, let's get started. First step, obviously you gotta remove my makeup. I'm just gonna quickly use my cleansing balm from Glow Recipe. This is papaya scented, and it literally melts off all your makeup. We lost an eyelash. There goes another. Alright, looking like a grease ball, but I'm gonna go rinse this off. Alright, my face is rinsed. I personally like to keep my face a little damp before applying my cleanser. Alright, so this is the Blueberry Bounce Cleanser, and I'm just going to put a few pumps on my fingers like this. Literally smells amazing. Look at it bubbling up. Time to go cleanse. Alright guys, face is squeaky clean. Now we're going to go in with my favorite toner. This is the Pore-Tight toner, so it literally tightens all your pores. Such a cute mini size. It's perfect for breakouts, especially since school is starting. You know, we all be getting stressed. Alright, now we're going in with the Strawberry Smooth Salicylic Serum. Also, all of these products are so perfect for traveling. Look at how cute this is. It'll fit so well in your purse or backpack or whatever. It's honestly just so convenient. Alright guys, last step is the moisturizer. This one's the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. I love the scent of this. I love the texture of this. Love the packaging. Everything about it is just amazing. Feels great on the skin as well. My skin's a little more on the drier side, so this hydrates it so well. Alright, last step, I'm going to be applying the Pore Smooth Blur Drops. I still can't get over how cute and mini this is. I'm just going to apply it directly onto my face. It really smells exactly like strawberries. This feels so nice on the skin. Skin's looking so dewy tonight thanks to Glow. Bye guys!